Hi, welcome to Crossways Point Junction. Here you are, we have a Bachmann Class 66 Freightliner. If you look at the detail on it, it's good. But then when you compare it with the Hatton, you look at the writing there, and then with the writing on the Hatton, a lot clearer, more crisp. And the yellow and the green seem to merge in together, but not with the Bachmann. It's clear, it's good. But there you are. I do like it. And there you are, another new Class 66. Join the Crossways Point Junction layout. And there's one more here. Got this because my friend Craig loves this delivery, and I actually love it too. These are all Hatton Class 66, except this one. Very good. They all look good together. I do have two more. We'll be showing a video of all the Hatton 66 working together soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like the video, subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Goodbye.